China's bentonite mineral resources have exceeded 8 billion tons, which has laid a resource foundation for the development and research of new products, the development of the market, and the improvement of competitiveness. The advantages of bentonite ball press: 1. The material extrusion effect is good, high ball formation rate. 2. The roller surface is made of synthetic manganese steel material, the use effect is good, the life is long, the roll diameter selection range is large, and the roll diameter and the machine power can be designed according to customer needs. 3. The use of dual shaft reducer structure, improve the roller precision, gear using hard tooth face gear, improve the performance and life of the reducer. 4. Hydraulic standing, can adjust the pressure and overpressure protection function. 5. The bentonite ball press occupies less space than the prior art, the motor power loss is small, the power is high, the maintenance is less, the speed can be adjusted, and the ball formation rate is improved. 6. The bentonite powder in the dust collector bin is transported by pipeline to the equipment storage bin. Closed pipeline transportation process will not cause dust pollution.